Today, I want to tell you a story. It's about a boy named Adam, 11 years old. He was on a slow train with his father for the first time. The train was moving very slowly. People were getting more and more upset. They were shouting, "This train is too slow." He wrote everything down in it. His thoughts, ideas, drawings, stories. Everyone looked calm, smiling, and thinking. Adam closed his notebook and went to sit next to his father. He was very happy because he knew he had done something very important that day. He made those people remember what was really important in life. "I want you to give this notebook to that man over there." Adam went to the man and said, "Here's a notebook for you." The man looked at him and said, "I don't know you, kid. Why should I take this?" Then Adam said, "For you to write down all the things you want to do before you die." The man looked surprised. He took the notebook and said, "Wow, that's a great idea. Thank you, son." This day, the train stopped for more than an hour, and every day he gave it to someone else, making them remember what was really important in life. Because he knew that life is not about how fast we go, but about enjoying the journey. People talked with each other. They made new friends. They laughed and they were happy. Change the train. We want to go fast. We are in a hurry. But Adam looked out of the window and smiled. He said, "But look. We can see the trees, the birds, and the sky." People laughed. "We don't care about trees. We want to go fast." Then, suddenly, the train stopped in the middle of nowhere. No station, no people, just dirt and trees. People got more upset. They started to shout, "What's happening? Why did the train stop? There is no station here." At that moment, Adam opened his little notebook and he went to the passengers and asked one question. "If today was your last day, what would you do?" Adam looked at his father and said, "Because sometimes we forget what is really important in life. When we go too fast, when we are busy with our problems and stress, when we have a lot of things to do, we forget to enjoy the little things, to look at the sky, to laugh with our friends, to say sorry, or say we love someone." I wanted them to remember all the things they forgot when they were on that train. People looked confused at first. Then they began to write. Some people wrote down things like "I want to fly," or "I want to be rich or famous." Then others began to think. They looked sad and started to write again. An older woman said, "I wish I could hug my daughter." A man who was traveling alone wrote, "Say sorry to my brother." Another passenger wrote, "Tell my wife how much I love her." Then a young girl wrote, "Look at the sky and just breathe." After a while, everyone finished writing. They looked at their papers and started to smile. It was the same notebook Adam used every day. When the train started again, something changed. Nobody was angry anymore. Later, when they arrived at the station, Adam's dad asked, "Why did you do that? Why did you ask them that question?" His father hugged Adam and said, "You are right, son. Sometimes we need to slow down to enjoy life. Thank you for reminding me." A few days later, Adam's dad took him to the park and said, and from that day on, Adam continued to write down all his ideas in his notebook. The end.